Good afternoon, everybody. So today I'll be taking you through a feature that we've just introduced in EagleOwl called templates. You can see it right here on my screen. So templates essentially allows you to create predefined forms for indenting specific SKUs or recipes that you do on a daily or a very frequent basis. Creating a template would prevent you from having to create them from scratch every single time you are raising an indent. So as to do that, you need to click right here, which is add a template. You can choose it for either SKUs or recipes based on what you're indenting for. Once you've clicked here, it will take you to the add indent page. You need to add the name. So let's say it's test 345. Indent date would automatically pick up as the current date. If need be, you can change it. Required date is what you need to add based on when do you require the SKU or recipe. You need to select which outlet you're raising the indent to. So let's say we are raising this indent to store. You need to add the cost center based on what the cost center is. You need to add the indented item. So let's say I'm raising it for honey sachet. Let's say 100 packets. Ketchup, again 100 packets. And I just have to click on save. Once you've created the template, it will show as it's showing in my screen at the moment. You can also edit it. Editing it would take you to the same page. You can record an entry for this particular template. So let me show you what happens when I click on this. It will take you to the form once again, but it will give you the option to change the dates. And so you can change the outlet. You can add the outlet. So the items will come up based on what you had already predefined in your indent template. So in case you are changing the quantity to 200, you can do that and you can save. So it will take you to the page where this particular indent has been raised, which is transfer raised indents, and you'll be able to see that this particular indent has been raised for the date and to which outlet and so on. Okay. Now, let me first go back to the templates page and show you the other things that you can do right here. You can, of course, view it from here. You can clone it from here. So let's say you want to clone the template using the same indented items, but you want to change the names and other details. So you can change it from right here by adding a different name and the dates and the store, etc., the outlet, etc. And you can simply save it from here. Okay. The other thing you can do is you can delete the template. You can also lock it. So locking it would prevent anybody from editing it. So as you can see, this particular template cannot be edited now. Let me just unlock it to show this further. Now let's say this particular process is one way to create a template. The other way is by going into transfers and raised indents. As in a busy operation or in a restaurant, you would have various indents that have been raised. Let's say one of them is the one that you use on a very frequent basis. You can directly save it as a template from right here. This is the icon which says create template for the indent. So you can click here and it will give you the option to create a template from right here. Now you can give it another name like daily transfer. The dates will pick up as today's date automatically. To store is fine. And the quantities will be picking up as what you had filled earlier. And you can just save it. As you can see, this particular template has been created. Now, let's say you've created this template in one outlet and you want this template to be available in other outlets as well. So you can just click right here, which is selecting the particular template. You can click on copy templates and you can copy it to whichever outlet you want it to be copied to. So let's say I want it to be copied to kitchen and update. So let me go into the kitchen and see if the template has been copied. As you can see, the template has been copied. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day.